Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video let me show you this two M2 MacBook Airs. Now you can see they are different color. They are both in good condition. Now you can see this is midnight color. This is a starlight, and you can see the port. You can see brand new port, and this one, this edge, okay, no problem. And let me show this one. Okay, good condition, and this one also good condition. And let me show you the battery information. This one, now you can see this is M2 2022 8GB and 256GB, and you can see this cycle count only 3 times and 100% of the battery capacity. And this one you can see 92% of the battery capacity, 294 cycle count, and this is also thin specification. I made this video because this is the price is very high in the wholesale market because these two machines is very new. They are no box, but the price in the market about 3,600 in the market because now you can see this is 100% 3 cycle count. Now, if you want to buy the other, maybe some scratches or a little dent on the corner or on the edge, the scratches, that price is about less 200, less 200, like 300, 3004 or 3,500, some price like that. You know, the used MacBook different condition, different price. Okay. I don't know what is the price in your country. In China, people want to buy the low price, but they also want to buy good condition, very good condition. But you know, good condition, good price. So the price may be a little higher. This machine are very high in the market. I want to show you this information. The market rule, different price, different condition, different price. So also, when we buy from the other big company, they sell to our shop, our store. Also, the price is very high, so we need to sell it on a high price. You know. Also, you know, the used MacBook, maybe 1 month or 2 weeks, the price will go down. So. This video, I don't want to sell this MacBook to you, but I'll just share you the information about this market. Okay, and this is the two MacBook Air. You can see the condition is good, and also you can see the screen is no problem. Maybe some lady or some student like this beautiful. Like this beautiful MacBook. If people in the company maybe they just for work don't need this beautiful machine. You know, their boss don't want to waste so much money. Maybe they want to just to work. Okay, the condition is not good. Maybe. For work, it's good. Okay. This is two machine. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video.